In this video, we're looking at the design of a stairway, where h is the riser height, so that's the height of each individual stair. An architect is using a stairway with a total rise of 9 feet. So all the stairs combined, all of their heights combined are going to add up to 9 feet. We're going to be using inches for the rest of this problem, so let's just say 9 feet. You want to convert it into inches, so you multiply it by 12 inches over 1 foot. This leaves the feet to cancel out. We get 9 times 12 is 108 inches. Just doing the unit conversion to get this into inches. And we're told that the height of each individual stair, the riser height, must be between 7 and 8 inches. So if the height is small, right, if 7 is the smallest it can be, that's going to allow for the most number of stairs, right? Because each one is going to take up a less amount of height. So you can see with a smaller height for each stair, we can fit in more than with these big stairs. You can only fit in 4 right there, but this one is like 12. So 7 is going to allow for the most stairs since it's the smallest height, and 8 is going to allow for the fewest. So if you have 108 inches, and we use 7 inches for each, this is going to be the most that we could possibly have, which is roughly 15.42 steps. And we can't have half a step or 0.42 of a step, but we'll get to that. And then the minimum number of steps is if you make them as big as possible, which is 8, and this comes out to 13.5. So if we have to have a number of steps between 13.5 and 15.42, well, what whole numbers fall in between here? Well, we have 14 and 15 are the only two numbers. Right, 13 falls outside of this and 16 falls outside of this, so our only options are 14 and 15. And we know that they're looking for an odd number of steps. That means the height must be 15, the number of steps must be 15. So, what does that mean for us? Well, we have to say, okay, if we have 15 steps, what is the height? So we have 108 inches divided by 15 steps. And if we do the math on this one, we can divide both sides by 3. This is going to give us 36 over 5. And then if we want to do this out, this is going to come out to 7.2. So our height of each individual step is going to be 7.2 inches. And then we're not looking for the height, we're looking for the depth. So we have to plug it into the formula, which relates the height to the depth, where h is the height and d is the depth. So we have 2h plus d is equal to 25. And we know our h in this scenario is 7.2. So we have 2 times 7.2 plus d is equal to 25. 2 times 7.2 is 14.4 plus d is equal to 25. Put this up here so we don't run out of room, just rewriting it. 14.4 plus d is equal to 25. If we subtract 14.4 from both sides, these cancel and you get d is equal to 25 minus 14.4. So our depth of each stair is going to be 10.6 inches, which means C is going to be your final answer.